Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon, good evening, and good morning, everybody. Welcome to our October 16, 2020, Friday webinar. In US, it's Thursday, right? So welcome each every one of you. My name is Ronnie Cayosa from Marikina City, Philippines, and I'm going to be the presenter for today. So let's start our Valentus presentation. Right now, let's dive into our talking about our company. Right, hold on. Uh-huh. All right. So, Balentus, Balentus, our company is about 6 years old, and it's an amazing, amazing 6 years for the company. We are 100% debt-free company, and we are based in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. The company is back up $1 million in capital, and you see there in the picture our amazing CEO, David and Joyce Jordan. They are truly incredible individual, and they're so humble, so big-hearted, and very, very caring for everybody. They're always working toward helping many people as possible. In this amazing company, it's led by these two individuals who has done incredibly well in helping all of us. And I tell you, our company has done over $200 million in total revenue in 6 years. And the last 2019, we made $90 million in total revenue. It's an incredible. And despite all the massive growth, we are still very, very unsaturated throughout the world. It's only zero point 0.3 market saturation. All right, we have a lot of greatness and a lot of success in this company. And, I joined this company because of one thing, the sixth element. There you see the culture. Yes, I fell in love with the culture, and I fell in love with the people who's doing the business. We are supporting each other, and David and Joyce run this company, help individual. So everybody's fair chance in this industry to have success, and it was an incredible. All right, now let's talk about what's going on throughout the world. Let's talk about obesity and overweight. Roughly about 70% of worldwide population are overweight. And when you're overweight, you have an increase of all type of different diseases, including the risk of getting heart attack or stroke, increase of getting cancer, and obviously increase your risk of being diabetic. Diabetes right now is the fastest growing disease in the world. And it's a truly uncontrolled right now. It's an average such size back in 1985, as you see. All right, it's only size 8. No, but right now it's a size 14. And even right now, currently each of us consuming about 190 to 200 pounds of sugar per year. So compare back to early 1900s, right? People only consume 8 to 10 pounds sugar per year. And that's very, very drastic change because food has been processed and there are tons of sugar that has been processed differently. Can you unmute yourself, please? I'm hearing echo. Thank you. And different type of sugar is in our food right now. So it's not good. All right. So it's become a huge epidemic. It's an obesity and diabetes right now is an over 1 billion. Just imagine 1 billion individual globally are sometimes on diet through entire world. This diet system are very, very complicated and very time consuming. They are very costly as well. In the US alone, diet system can cost people are about 500 to $800 a month. That's a lot of money, right? So think about that. There's a book that I read before that says 7%, right? In body weight increase, chances of diabetes of 52%. So realize that we have the weight loss industry and a huge industry that has been around for many years. It worth $200 billion right now globally. And now let's talk about coffee. We live in the coffee business because of one reason. Coffee industry, a huge industry. It's $120 billion industry. And this is the most second consumed beverage in the world right now, right? First is the water, right? So literally about 2.2 billion of cups consumed daily all around the world. And whether you drink coffee or not, it doesn't matter. What's the beauty is that we have led our coffee, and this is the responsible of 75% growth of our company each year. It's huge and it's incredible. So despite the fact that we led in our coffee, because of this simplicity, all you're going to do is to educate people to switch their brand of what they're drinking right now to our brand. By doing so, people will see results, and that's simple. That's why we call our coffee the coffee with benefits. All right, we're not just a coffee business or coffee company. We're a health and wellness company. We have many, many products and many more products to come in the future. So the details of this, as you can see in the balentusproduct.com, that's highlighted in red, right? So you can look, okay, and all the details of our product right in our website, thebalentusproduct.com.
Hey, Ronnie, I'm just gonna mute everybody and then just unmute yourself.
All right, yeah, please. So, hello, can you hear me now?
Yes.
I just get to loop it, no, because when I unmute it, I'm going. Hold on. Mm, hold on, and I'll be in the. Can you see the slide?
Yes.
All right. Whenever I remove something or add something, it will be ano, freeze. Anyway, I'm in. All right, here. What kind of product is that? It's live, right? Okay, you see the slide right now?
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay, so we have the Prevail, no? The Prevail trim is what we call the juice, no? So if you're not drinking coffee, you can use or drink our Prevail trim. It's a amazing weight loss management product fruit drink, and it has a really good flavor and it's a good source of fiber. So we have also the energy and immune boost. So it boosts our immune system. So we have a Prevail energy drink. Help people to increase their everyday energy and all natural drink so we can drink it every day, right? We have the Thermot Rose Optimum coffee. Okay, it is an amazing weight loss coffee. Both of these coffee will do several things. So I love the fact that we have a multiple benefits in our coffee products. It's gonna crush your craving. It's gonna gently burn our fats into energy. So you're getting energy from your natural body. So burning away your fats, and it's also regulate our sugar. It's gonna give us a lot of mental clarity and more energy, and it's gonna boost our circulation, no, and increase our oxygen delivery. So it's increase the flow of blood because of the vaso 6. So this one, so vaso 6 is a vasodilator to dilate our vessel. So because basically that was our coffee does. We have also type of coffee. We have Italian and Brazilian coffee. Right. So we have also the cacao. So if you don't drink coffee, you can drink optimum cacao or cocoa. They serve the same purpose for everybody, just different form of delivery. Or people don't drink coffee. So again, it's an amazing product, the optimum cacao. Right, we have also the Prevail Max. It's also a natural product with an amazing mineral. And what is that is supercharge and regulate basically our blood flow. Increase circulation to all part of our body. So we have also the K9 for our pet dog. Okay, the yellow one is for our pet and the red one is for ourselves. All right. Okay, so we have the Prevail More Detox. This is a whole body detox. It is oilless and it's tasteless. So it's a vegan formulation. It has a carbon 60 and a super antioxidant. It is most powerful 172 times than vitamin C. So we have also activated charcoal, and the charcoal is used to for as a medicine to take away the toxin. And it's usually used by people who is overdose in drugs. So they really pump up a lot of charcoal in several days to take away those toxin. Now, we have Dr. Joseph Ahrens. He's a two-time Nobel Prize nominee. And because of what he does right now, he's a food and biochemist and also a plant physiologist. He brings to us the missing link. And what is the missing link? The missing link is the natural plant flavonoid. And that is the missing in our diet for many years because of our way of eating food and the process of our food. So he introduced the natural flavonoid in the form of emulin. Now, emulin is an amazing, and I tell you a little bit about it. And it was studied and published in Journal in Medicinal Food back in 2013. They studied the effect of emulin on blood glucose and in a level type 2 diabetic. And it's very well compared in metformin. So despite the study, we can make medical claim because our products are leveled and licensed as a supplements. So we cannot make a medical claim, but I tell you, what it does, you can say legally, emulin helps support our immune system and can manage our carbohydrates and sugar metabolism. It helps inflammation. So those three you can say without any issues. Now, you see there's an emulin C, this one, and emulin M. Right. So we have Prevail 24/7. Okay, this is a carb burner. It's a more fine-tuned version of emulin. Basically, what it does is to balance your body so that your immune system will do what it needs to do to be healthy. It's gonna prevent our carbs to enter our body with therefore less fats. Okay, and it's gonna reduce pain, inflammation, and you can find all the details and what it does in balentosproduct.com in our page. Right, we have Prevail Detox Tea. It's a really help support our natural digestive tract movement. So it promotes regularity and really helps your digestive tract. Understand that your gut is your second brain and really need our gut to be very, very healthy. For us to be healthy, it's important to take this every day. Actually, it's every other day, the Prevail Detox. Now we have Hibernate. It's an amazing product. It has anhydrolyzed collagen and it's going to help your body to replace your amino acid to rebuild your body. It has the melatonin to help you sleep better. And it also burns your fat away while you're sleeping. Even you sleep for 5 hours, you still feel very fresh from sleep. And now we have the P4 protein shake. So you can drink it for your breakfast instead of eating carbs. And it makes you feel full for at least 2 to 3 hours. Last, we have the skincare products in terms of ageless and instant youth. Remember, our skin composed of 80% of collagen. As we go age, we lost elasticity in our collagen. And it's gonna help to return elasticity in our collagen. So it's gonna help remove forehead line, the wrinkles, the blemishes, and so on. So it's really help you to see the two individual in this picture. All right, we have sample or what we call the people who's using your product. We have Albert Arinoy here, but we have disclaimer, no? Results and health benefits will vary person to person, and we're not guaranteed, no, with this product. So you have to consult your doctor first. Okay, Albert Arinoy has been for 4 days in an ICU. He's been a stroke patient for 2 years. He's only 43 years old when he has a stroke, right? Actually, he's a former basketball player and very, very active. So anybody can can have a disease or a health problem, right? But after taking our products, what happened to Albert? No? First, he come back from a stroke, and then he lose weight and give more energetic. Okay, and right now, Albert is playing basketball and running. Okay, so it's an amazing products we have. Okay, we have also this amazing the products, and we have also the amazing business, right? So the opportunity we have, no, these days, who are seeking better health, people are always looking for extra money, and people want also the time freedom, right? Okay, so what is Balentus? No, Balentus is in network marketing industry. So, and you know, it's an amazing because network marketing right now is a $190 billion income every year, and it's a huge and very successful industry. We also call it well, ano, what to call it? Online, drop shipping. Anybody can call it, but you use your internet and cell phone or computer. It is huge than music industry, movie industry, even video and natural food industry combined. All right. So basically, what is network marketing? What is this term? Actually, it's complicated, but it's simply word of mouth referral. We've been doing this before. Each of everyone has grown up, and we've been doing this all the time. We refer people to restaurant, to movie, to doctor and dentist, to whomever you experience with. You always do that, right? So we always do that and excited doing that. Because when you're excited on that restaurant, your movie, or even the clothes you wear, your friend and your friend, your relative will go to that restaurant or the store, right? And they want to try it also or eat there in the restaurant. But the company will never pay us for that. But here in Balentus, just refer people, and you can use the product and do the business and promote it in other people that you love or your family and friends. Balentus will pay you back, right? That is what we call promoting or promoter. All right, the timing of Balentus we're having is an amazing. We are in a good spot right now, and we're growing and growing like a major league. We're still growing and so excited to see the entire Balentus growth throughout the entire world. People just sharing this amazing opportunity. So you can see in the 2020, we are on the sweet spot right now. And you know the commitment of the company. Company give 50% of every sales dollars in commission to the paycheck. And they pay it 7 times in 7 ways on Friday. So why did David and Joyce do that? Because they want to give you a chance, and they want to build something for your family and for yourselves, and to be able to retire and their siblings and parents, okay, and help people because they want us to win. All right, so to become an independent business owner, it's only take one-time investment. Okay, it's $20 investment. In peso, it's only 1,000 peso. So basically, it's just a price of pizza, right? What you will get is 7 websites, okay? And research and development for the products, back office for the accounting and paying commission. And we get the commission every Friday, single Friday. That's tomorrow, for you as tomorrow. So we have a shipping and handling. Drop ship to people who order the customer all around the world. And just to think about it, like the Amazon who's doing the drop shipping, okay, that's the exact same thing. And we also have the worldwide distribution right, so we can deliver any part of the world. But the amazing, we have the virtually unlimited income potential, and I'm gonna talk about unlimited income potential. Just put little effort, you get little effort or little pay. But if you put mediocre effort, you get mediocre pay. All right? But compared to traditional business or traditional job, you would pay whatever they think they're gonna pay you. You know your boss only in your job, they're gonna pay you enough for you to stay there. And it's whether you work hard or not, they're not gonna pay you anymore. And try the traditional business. And so much liability, so much risk, and have control in your income at all. You don't have control in your income at all. It's unlimited income risk. But here in our company, in Balentus, all you're gonna do is spend $20 to get in. All right? In Philippines, we call it saan darating ang $20 mo? That's only okay, ads. Okay, so once you do the $20 registration, you can choose in 5 different packages. It doesn't matter which pack you choose, you can make money. Someone can start at basic pack, right? It's $59, but you can get an income, right? And some start at $145.95. Get 3 items and get discount at $48. Okay. And some people join in advanced pack at $239.95. And you get 6 boxes, which is about $42 each. They still can get money by doing the business. And the most famous is the Business Builder Pack. Okay, it's $575.95. That's 16 item. It's less expensive than $36 per item. And of course, the Best Value Career Success Pack, which is $1,199.5 or $1,199.95. It's a 36 item dollar. It's a 36 item and it's at $33 each. Okay. So your first paycheck is in your retail. So suggest it's you just sell it at $79.95. So it doesn't matter where you live or convert it in your currency. But think about this. You offer it to your friend for $79.95, right? But also divert it that you can go to your website and they can get it at a discount of $20. So you can order the product for only $59.95 instead of paying $79.95. That's how you should do that so you can refer people to your website. So in the Philippines, is the prices. No? If you get only 1 box, you get 3,450, and 3 boxes 8,100, and 6 boxes is 13,450, and 16 boxes is 32,200 plus the shipping, right, and handling. All right. And the second paycheck is called the Fast Start Bonus or the First Time Order Bonus. It is incredible. Each of us have a website. All you have to do is to refer people to that website. And when they order, whatever they want to order, we get a commission between $20 to $200 per order. I mean, so it's incredible. So for example, you have 30 customers in just 1 month. So, and the customer get only $59.95. You get $20 for that and a total of $600 minimum income. All right. So you can, the money that you can earn, you can buy the Business Builder Pack for $575.95. Why? Because if you become a Business Builder Pack holder, you become a Ruby, right? And you can be qualified in our legacy bonus, that our third income. Okay, the third way of earning in Balentus, the legacy bonus. It's basically you have to either upgrade the Business Builder Pack or just start out at $575. So I'm gonna give you an example. Let's say you invited 7 people on this webinar, right? And now you know there's a presentation and presentation is over with 3 of your friends joining, okay, the business, and you immediately have an income of 100 for the 3. No, that's $300 as your foundation. And on the 4th, okay, you will be a legacy bonus. okay, qualifier. So we'll earn $200 each, infinity. You 4, 5, or until infinity. Even you're doing the business for 2 years or 3 years, you still get $200 every time you enroll friends or family in your business. Okay, but the good thing is if this, okay, your friend have another friend, for example, you have A, B, C friend, you get also 100, okay, in each of them, okay, until infinity, right? But in the fourth, you don't have to get any because your friend will get the legacy bonus, okay? That's why the company will not go bankrupt, because the company computed this way. All right. On our dual team commission, this is a more long term. This is when you think about people to do your to order in your website, right? And they will reorder every month as a customer. So let's say you have a customer here on your left team or doing business, accumulated 2,000 volume, and on the other side, your right team accumulated 1,000 volume. The company will pay you $200, right? And if you do it again on the next week, you get another $200, right? So if you're doing this as part time, in 1 month you can earn at least $800 as a part time income, right? How the company compute it? Simple. If the company or the program, the system, read 200 volume points in your left and 100 points on your right, the company will pay you $20. Ronnie, it's too small. Actually, the company will give you as much as this amount every week if you rank from silver to crown ambassador. And we have people who rank up in this uh, high ranking, the crown diamond and the crown ambassador. All right. And if you become a crown ambassador, you can get a maximum of $100,000 every week. That's around $400,000 weekly income in just dual team cycle commission. But wait, there's more. If you help people doing this business, just for example, like Palm, Seed, and Matt, if they earn around 800 monthly, the company will give you $20, and that is around $160, right? So if you compute it for your 3 members, you get $480 extra income, just simply helping people to do the business. Okay, in your second generation, you get 15%. Okay, on the third generation, get 10%, and the fourth generation get 5%, up to seventh generation deep that you can get 3%. So we don't have any space right now, so just compute it up to fourth generation, and it's 2,500 additional income if you're helping people under your organization. All right, this is what I want in this income. We have the enrollment pool bonus. Okay. What is enrollment pool bonus? This for everybody in the company, whether you're new or old or you're doing the business, no? And you get 3 business builder pack, you get 1 share. And if you get 1 share, if that time in that month per share is $200, okay, you get additional $200 even you're new in the company. Okay. And if you get 6, okay, business builder pack, you get another 2 points, that's $400. And if it is 3 or 9, that's another $600. The good thing about it is you don't have to be in a high rank to get this pool bonus. Right? So this sample only. We just also have a disclaimer regarding this because you can see it in public. Like for example, we have May, Jen. Okay, they were helped by their enroller, Dr. Chi, and they earn, no? And also Dr. Chi was Yet by John Haremsa. So if you want to see this in public, actually you can look it at businessforhome.org. It is in public. And you can see also our company, which is ranked number 9 as of now in just 6 years, right? So we have disclaimer, not everybody can have that income if you're not doing the business. Okay. All right. This is number 6, the car bonus. If you become diamond, okay, up to Crown Ambassador, you get $400 bonus. And if you have a car or you don't want to have the car, you have to buy the car because it's a bonus for your car payment. And last but not the least is our Atlantis Paradise bonus or vacation. The triple diamond rank until December 31. Okay, you're going to have a free Paradise Island Bahamas package, with for two. So it's all expenses paid, and that's my wife dream of. All right, I'm finished actually in presenting this our company products and business, and I want to show you myself. Okay, hold on. I want to share something. Uh-huh. I want to share you. I want to share my story. All right. So my story is also in this slide. Okay. So yeah, this is my family. All right. When they are still young, I'm doing the network marketing industry for 15 years. Just imagine. So 15 years. This is our bread and butter. And after that, when they grow up, we give them also the opportunity to do the business. But it's very hard in the Philippines because we're doing this in a traditional way. And right now, after doing the business for 15 years, I just take a rest for 5 years, and then right now, one of my friends introduced me to the products and to the business. That's Jed, from Baguio, and just tell me that just drink the coffee, the Valentus coffee, and just research it for 3 days. And then when I found that it's a good products, so we buy the products and drink the products. But the business come it naturally. And this is my why right now, why I'm doing this business. My 7 grandchildren want them to be with us when we grow up, when we grow old, and we want them to be with us when traveling. All right. But before, I don't have any experience in network marketing. I'm just only a tricycle driver for almost 12 years. And doing that, it's very hard because I have 4 kids that time, and I cannot survive the 4 kids doing just a kind of job because it's only $10 per day. I only earn $10 per day. And one of my friends told me about the network marketing business. Just told me, are you open-minded? During that time, when you tell your friend, if you're open-minded, we will grab it because it's another income. But right now, when you tell your friend, are you open-minded, they will run and or they block you in your Facebook. But anyway, they don't know about network marketing because network marketing will give you a lifetime, chance of a lifetime. Because it's when I did network marketing for 15 days, I have a chance to ride a Mustang. It's a sports car. So from a tricycle driver to a Mustang driver, that's my story. If people hearing that, they will be excited and they will tell them that if Ronnie can do it, I can do it, right? So with that, I hope you can relate in my story. And here I am, the one that you love. This is May. Okay, this is me in person. I'm doing this business at home, and I'm very very excited because even I'm just new in the business, the company or leaders give me a chance to do this kind of presentation. All right, now, but I will introduce you to one of my friend here in Balantus. When just started the Balantus business, I interview her, and She don't know me, but I told her that I want to interview you because I want to know if this is true or if this is not a hype, because I don't want to do the business just like for hyping, you know. And she tell me everything, and she tell me she is the wife of Richard Bonin, okay, idol before, you know, in That's Entertainment, and she's doing the business full time, and she's a nurse by profession. So without further ado, I would like to call on Miss May Bonin. Miss May Bonin, coming up, show yourself, unmute
Hello.
yourself.
Hello, everybody. Good evening. Good morning. We have people from all over the world. I see somebody from Palau, UK, UAE, Philippines, of course. So anyway, I'm so excited to be here again tonight. And just a quick background about myself. I am from Bakersfield, California. I was born and raised in the Philippines. And I moved here when I was already 26 years old. And as what Kuya Ronnie said, I am married to Richard Bonin. We have 2 kids. I'm a nurse practitioner by profession, so I do aesthetics. But because of Valentis, I was able to walk away from my full-time job. And I work part-time now just because it's my passion. I love making people beautiful. And, you know, I just love making them feel confident about themselves again. And I'm so lucky because, you know, I was given that opportunity to just do basically work whenever I want to. And I don't have to work, but I love it. So anyway, yeah, my dreams came true because of this opportunity. I bought my third house, which is my dream home, in a nice neighborhood here in Bakersfield. And also, a year ago, I was able to buy a restaurant franchise because of my earnings here in Valentis. And I know that, you know, a lot of us have dreams. And in order for us to reach our dreams, we got to have a business, because working your 9 to 5 job, I don't think your dreams will come true. So we always have to look for other opportunity or other business. And having a traditional business is pretty hard just because, you know, there's so many things to think about. I mean, I can compare because I do have both. And to tell you honestly, I make more money doing Valentis than doing my other business. And yeah, that's it. I just want to let you know that, you know, if you're presented with an opportunity, you just got to say yes, because that same opportunity will never be the same again. And I said yes to Dr. Chi when it was presented to me, because I know that this is truly, truly life changing. I mean, it changed my life. That's why I'm truly passionate about this opportunity. And I want you guys to see that if you're not really serious about the business, it's time to get serious, because 100% with your effort, your life will change. So anyway, we do have 2 other guests here tonight, and I want to bring on another nurse from Bakersfield, California. She's a triple diamond, and I'm gonna let her share her story. Can she hear still? All right.
I'm here.
Okay, thank you, Ate. Thank
Okay,
you
hello.
for being our guest here tonight.
Okay, let me see myself. Alright. Okay, good evening, everyone. I'm echoing. Okay, greetings to everyone all over the world. My name is Joselle Paulo. I'm a full-time RN by profession. I'm a full-time entrepreneur by heart, a triple diamond executive with our company here, Valentis. I'm also from Bakersfield, like May. And if you all don't know, May is like my sister because we are born on the same day. We're actually twins, but there's different mom and different years. Okay, my journey with Valentis started in May 29 of 2018, or May 30, I can't remember now. After 3 days of deliberating with myself, I recruited my own self to the business under Dr. Chi in secret because my husband didn't know. I just want the coffee with benefits, yet I also want the wholesale discount and the business for $20. Even though I'm not ready to build yet, all I care is it's coffee and it's binary. I've been to a network marketing company before and I know about binary and it's new and Dr. Chi is promoting it on Facebook. So I looked on my friends' walls. No one is doing the business or no one is promoting the coffee yet. So the hashtag FOMO set in, means fear of missing out. I missed out before, so not anymore. I wasn't ready to do the business, but my spot was secured. I have no money either because my mom was in the hospital ICU for 2 months during that time. So I have no time and financial freedom to go home to take care of her too, even though I'm a nurse, but I'm here. So how can I take care of her? So my goal then was to make it work. I can't be in the same situation ever again. Now my mom is doing well, and with our product, she's in a better disposition. I've tried network marketing before, but never really succeeded, or maybe I just didn't do it right or almost right. I've read a book of John Haremsa, so it really helped. I have fears and excuses. I guess everyone has. I blame others for my lack of success, like my husband's not supporting me, etc. My friends not supporting me. So, in order for me to succeed here, I need to be bulletproof on my mindset and belief. Eric Worre's videos on YouTube really helped me a lot. One weekend, I sat down and uh, just did a marathon of it, 90-day run and a lot more. Dr. Chi is around and ready to help, but I wasn't asking him that much. I guess I was shy to ask him for help. I just want to do it on my own in a hurry. I plugged into the calls and Zoom webinars. I asked Dr. Chi about the Valentus calls, what are the recorded ones? So he gave it to me. But I didn't practice or know about duplication and structure. All I cared was, the volume because he said you have to have this much here, this much here. So that was in my mind. So, and I learned all my lessons the hard way. So I have to restructure and do it right. All we did was drink, share, and earn. And when I received my first commission check of $20 from a customer online, that was my happiest $20 check because that's when I realized, OMG, this thing works and my vision expanded. To do this business, I need to be in the event. So I bought my convention ticket to Vancouver in 2018. Bought my tools. I have the Dito Touch. I was on pre-launch mode, although I'm not doing the business yet. So in July 25 of 2018 was the first event here in Bakersfield. John Haremsa was the guest. Doc Chi just got promoted to Diamond. Jen was structured Emerald, and I was a Ruby at the time. After that night, I was unstoppable. I did my 90-day run to Diamond. I was busy working on my job, plus a part-time job and overtime. So I'm kind of coachable. I set my goals 30 for 30 in August of 2018. Top of the leaderboards. We were just enjoying the results and the excitement of the business. This is fun. After the Vancouver event, meeting the V family and great CEO, I was all in. I dreamed of how it would feel to be Diamond, so I better run for it. Non-stop to the top. After 3 months of actively building, I was able to give up my part-time job, my overtime, and still cover my mom's healthcare needs in the Philippines. And also my kids' college tuition is taken care of. Also, the car bonus helps with car payments as a diamond. That's a lot of help. This business works if you focus and work it. It's a process, and I'm a work in progress as well. We are here to stay. I am home. I know I'm in the right company when my husband supports me all the way and not hear anything negative from him. We knew it when we met Dave in Vancouver in September of 2018. He's a down to earth CEO who just wants us all to succeed and to make network marketing great again. This company is built by distributors for distributors. And Valentus is not a household name yet, but soon we will be. My vision is to fill up the arena like a Miami Stadium or anything stadium, the bigger stadium, or what's that in the Philippines there, like 30 to 50K people, and we will be the pioneer leaders. We are not a coffee business, but we have plethora of products. We promote health and wellness, and we share because we care. It's not about the money, but if you build this, build it to last because the residual income is real. I never miss a paycheck every Friday since my $20 commissions. Build it fast for 90 days and be consistent after that. It works because it's global and it's e-commerce and it's the way to go right now. So all you need to do is just decide. And as the saying goes, everyone is a millionaire. You can either have millions of cash or millions of excuses. So choose your millions wisely. I'm not there yet, but I'm on my way. Thank you so much, sister. Thank you so much, Mr. Cayosa, for your presentation. And back to you.
Wow, I love that. That's amazing. Yes, I don't want to
Thank
have
you.
million excuses. I quit making excuses when I said yes to Valentus. And so I am working on my millions here in Valentus, millions of dollars. That's what we want, right? And it is true that, I mean, I saw the growth in Ate Giselle as well as, because, you know, here in Bakersfield, people talk and some are jealous, but I've heard stories like they were telling me that, oh yeah, Giselle doesn't even work overtime anymore. And you guys know why, right? Because she's making money here in Valentus. So it is true that you can make money here. There's money in network marketing. I used to think that it is not real as well. And really, I never imagined to be a networker. I mean, I don't think that there's even a Filipino who even dreamed of becoming a networker, because we all dreamed of, you know, becoming a doctor or a lawyer, and never in our dreams to be a networker, right? I'm sure all of you agree with me. So anyway, yes, that's really an inspirational story, Ate Giselle. And next is somebody from the Philippines, and she's really getting great results and earning dollars while in the Philippines. So she doesn't have to go abroad because she's already earning dollars there. And it's truly, truly helping her, especially now during the pandemic that, you know, nobody's working. So anyway, let's hear it from Zaylene.
Hello, good morning and good afternoon and good evening, my Valentus teammates. So as you can see my profile, napaka-ubis ko po talaga before, and parang hindi ko na nakikilala yung sarili ko today kasi sobrang napakalayo po talaga ng transformation ko. So last year po inintroduce ako ni ng Gracelyn Bravo sa Valentus. Una, hindi talaga ako consistent sa coffee kasi hindi ko pa siya kilala and parang hindi pa ako interesado. Pero nung December, parang nafe-feel ko na kahit minsan lang ako mag-Valentus, parang naglo-lose weight pa din ako. So, kinareer ko na siya. And nung nag-lockdown, yung profession po namin dito is, ako po ay isang professional makeup artist and event stylist. Tapos yung husband ko po nagtatrabaho sa hotel. So yung trabaho po namin naapektuhan po ng pandemic. So nag-close po yung mga events, nag-close yung mga hotel. So wala talaga kaming work. Pero the good thing is, bago mag-lockdown, naranasan ko na makatanggap ng income from Valentus. So dun pa lang, na-realize ko na kahit na wala kaming work as of this moment, kung meron namang Valentus, pwede kang magkaroon ng extra income kahit nasa bahay ka lang. So, ayun. So, nawalan din kami ng work pero tuloy-tuloy pa din yung pasok ng income namin. And then, every time na may webinar, nag-a-attend ako, and these are the reasons na nag-grow din yung team ko dahil marami din ako natutunan sa mga mentors ko. So, I'm very thankful na inintroduce ako ni Nang Gracelyn dito sa Valentus. At the same time, nagkaroon din ako ng mga mentors. Marami akong natutunan. And then, yung mga natutunan ko sa webinar, sinishare ko din sa wall ko. And yun, nakikita nila yung result. And gusto din nila mag-try ng coffee. So, sa mga friends ko dyan, ini-introduce ko yung coffee for their intermittent fasting. And it's very effective talaga. As of now, everybody knows na intermittent fasting yung trend. So, sinasuggest ko din yung coffee na maganda talaga siya. And it's very healthy. So, yun lang po yung share ko ngayon. From 85 kilos, I am now a proud loser and I am 58 kilos na po. Thank you, Miss May. Yun lang po yung share ko. Thank you so much. Thank you po, team, sa lahat ng support.
Okay, maraming salamat, Zaylene. You guys, imagine if you're in the Philippines and let's just say you're earning $100 a week. I'm sure that would help you because I know that the average income in the Philippines right now is about $200 or $300, right? Depending on your job. So if you're earning $100 a week, I'm sure that would be a big help. That would be a breather for you. So you guys, you just make sure that you treat this business as $1 million business, as if you invested $1 million. That way, you're also gonna earn $1 million, right? So thank you so much to everybody who shared their story, and to all of you who are here, thank you for being here. If anybody else wants to share, then the floor is yours.